Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this 10-minute empowering yoga class. So get whatever you need. You will need 2 bricks for this class. Make sure that you're well hydrated and you have plenty of space to practice. So this will help you connect with your inner fire, feel strong, encourage those feelings of self-worth, high self-esteem, and just connect you with source so you feel really good by the end of the class. So come into a comfortably seated position. Sit tall. Take a nice long inhale. Exhale, bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Drop the shoulders. We'll open the space for the practice with the vibration of Om. Take a breath in. Om. Resting the hands down comfortably with the eyes closed. Take a few moments to tune in to body, mind, thoughts, emotions. See how you're feeling. As a starting off point for your practice, begin to feel a deep connection with the breath. As we connect with Agni or inner fire. During this practice, take a deeper breath in and exhale, gently open the eyes. Good. From this position, inhale, take the arms out to a T shape. Exhale. Inhale, open the palms. Exhale, float the palms of the hands up, drop the shoulders. Inhale, stretch through the fingertips. Exhale, bring the right hand down, nice easy sway over to the side. Inhale, lift the arm up. Exhale, little sway, opening the side body. Inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, left palm down, sway to the opposite side. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, lift. Exhale, little sway. Inhale, lift all the way up, interweave the fingers, reverse the position of the palms. Exhale, little sway to the side. Inhale to center. Exhale, sway to the other side. Inhale to center, reverse the palms. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. And then exhale, release the hands as you come up to center. Good. Exhale. Coming through to an all-fours position, support the knees as you need to. We'll bring the hands underneath on top of the bricks. So just placing the palms down. If you're in a chair, you just place the hands down into the lap and just feel that you can press away. So everybody feel a squeeze of the pelvic floor, lower abdominals drawing in. That's great. From this position, inhale. Exhale, just have a little sway from side to side. Make sure everything is feeling okay. And then inhale, exhale, step the left leg back or forward if you're on the chair. You can stay there or step the right leg back. You you can come down to the knees. And just coming into plank of choice. Lift the back of the knees if you're in this position. Push out through the heels, inhale. Exhale, draw the left knee in, round the back, chin towards the chest. Then inhale, step back. Exhale, right knee in. Inhale, come back to a plank. And then exhale, bend the elbows. Chaturanga. You can do this with the knees down. And then inhale, see if you can lift into an upward dog. And exhale, push back into a downward dog on the bricks. Even out the breath. So downward dog on the chair can be done by bringing the hands to the back of the chair, standing up. Or hands to the lap and pushing back as you stretch the legs forward. Relax the head and the neck. Good. And then inhale. Feet can be together or apart. Ripple the spine forward as you come back into a plank position. Inhale. Exhale, draw the left knee frog's leg towards the elbow. And then inhale, step it back. Exhale, right knee towards right elbow. Inhale, step it back. Exhale, bend the elbows. Remember, you can bend the knees to do this. Bring the knees down, bend the elbows. And then inhale, lift up, knees down, or on the back of the toes into your upward dog. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Good. And then inhale, bring the knees down. Exhale. From here, we're going to work into Simhasana or lion breath. I'll come to facing you. So from this position, really attractive. So you're going to stick your tongue out and cross your eyes. I'm going to do 4 rounds. This really gets us in touch with that inner fire. Inhale, exhale, inhale. That's it, go for it. Inhale. As you breathe out, strong belly drawing in. Good, last one. Inhale, exhale. Good, relax the face. Coming back into a neutral spine here. Good. And then from this position, push back into downward dog. Connect with the breath. And again, feet together or feet apart. Inhale, ripple the spine forward. Exhale, we come to a twist. Inhale, exhale, right knee to left elbow. Good. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Again, you can do this with the knees down. Inhale to center. Exhale, squeeze your elbows back. Inhale to lift, upward dog. Exhale, push back into downward dog. From here, bring the left heel down. Exhale, step through with the right leg or bring the legs to a wide angle on the chair. Pivot so you come to forward facing. And then inhale, bring the hands to the waist as we come to Prasarita Padottanasana B. Squeeze the elbows back, squeeze the inner thighs. And inhale as you squeeze to lift all the way up. Exhale. Good. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Might be able to begin to feel some heat, some energy in this area as we continue with this empowering vibe. So then bring the heels in, toes point out. Exhale, gentle bend of the knees as we come into Ukkata Konasana or goddess pose. Press the palms together firmly. Good. Drop down as deeply as you dare. See how your knees feel. Again, take the legs wide if you're in a chair. You need to protect your knees. You can come much higher up. Good. Strong Ujjayi breathing. Restless sound in the nostrils. Now inhale. See if you can lift up the left heel. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, right heel. If it doesn't work, just stay where you are. It's all right. Exhale. If that was easy for you, inhale. See if you can lift both heels up. Exhale. You can release the hands and lift the palms up as you sit back into your goddess pose. And then exhale, press the heels down and lift. Now from here, bring the arms down to shoulder height. Inhale, we go into woodchopper from here. So interweave the fingers. You're going to take a strong exhale as you bend the knees and swing through. So just practice that a moment. Make sure your knees are happy. Good. And then inhale, lift up. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. You can make this as quiet or as loud as you need it to be. Exhale. So we've got one more. Inhale, lift up. Destroying any negative energy. Inhale, lift up. Good. And exhale, circle the hands down to flamenco wrists. Very nice. Shake out the wrists. Heel toe the feet towards each other. And then turn so that you can bring the hands down. Step back into plank, this time off the bricks or knees down plank. And then exhale. See if you can come down to seated, however is best. Take the hands back so the fingertips face forward. Toes point forward. Roll the shoulders forward. From here, inhale, press into the heels. Exhale and see if you can lift into a tabletop. Make sure your heels are underneath your knees. Don't squeeze the glutes, instead press into the heels. Now from here, look forward and see if you can do a sharp exhale as you draw the belly in. That's it. Try a few. Good. And inhale, hold. Keep lifting. And then exhale as you come all the way down. Well done. Crossing at the legs. So that was just a teeny tiny kapalbhati, energizing, empowering breath. Circle out through the wrists. We'll seal in all this good energy, empowering energy with Padmasana. So wrap the arms behind the back. Cross-legged half lotus or full lotus position. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale and fold to your own measure. So begin to integrate the practice. Allow the breath to slow. And just gaze off the tip of the nose. Feel a surrendering forward as you let go. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale as we lift up. Exhale. Now taking your bricks, you can bring them to the medium setting. I'll try a little lift up of Utplutihi. So from here, hands come onto the bricks. Inhale. Exhale. Either see if you can engage. Press the hands into the bricks. Roll forward. You might even be able to lift the bum away from the floor. You might be able to lift the feet away from the floor. See what's possible. Keep breathing. And then exhale, come down. Well done. From here, coming to Padmasana, straight lines of energy. Touch the thumb to the first fingertip. Exhale, drop the chin. Begin to really focus on the movement of the breath. And begin to close the practice. Another deep breath. Good. And then release in the mudra. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Inhale. Exhale, bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift, prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me for this empowering yoga class. I hope you're feeling really in touch with your inner strength, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.